Well, someone have truly said that we don't own this planet Earth. We just belong to this planet, and we have to share it with all the animals that exist in this world. And I guess no one gonna ever imagine this beautiful planet without nature and the animals. So the moral of the story is that the only way we can keep this planet safe for the future generation is by saving the nature and keeping the wildlife alive. Today is my day 2 at the Smoky Mountains, and sadly it's gonna be my last day as well. But my day gonna be smooth as I have already planned for my day. Let me take you all with me on a journey of a day 2 at the Smoky Mountains. Good morning everyone. So welcome back from Smoky Mountain once again. Nga tanda de shoge ngabu shush tanda de ledi Smoky Mountain de wildlife kala an keda shimbucha gi yore. Wildlife shuch del tire agi yore natural kora. Chiksi daro tanda ngone sina dela shawa da elk lag do shawa cheder elk lag tom da coyote da wolf da dinde mangu shuch di namju ina di pang digala kuzo shoge ngabu shuch thonga yore ine ta tanda mindu ta che mindu ro. This is my bad luck. Yine ta tanda nga den ma chin ma singna sing la ju do yi singna sing la ju ne khashe thonga gi rawa chi. Let's see. Come with me. Andiamo peda. Amachi ta puch tonsro di ninga shortly tabshi di nambazu sidro. Oh ta amad la sasta amada puch tninge de tonsro amad pudi ta la sasta ta padro science ya kunzu dam lo do choyo mare kunzo lo disturb chi choyo mare kranzo natural state khande yo di ra sha gore semjen da ngazo parale fit ja parala di jangda sha gore kunzo lo disturb chi chogo mare kranzo khande yo di natural state gal sha gore kejor ja da di chi chogo mare semjen damla ro ju jo mare da dodolana oh tanga tandu dis 제가 두기로 아니 뜨기든 치고 빠르 빠른 데라나 내저랬다. 다sem제 wildlife 시라시라다 망고 라마서 엘크인데 망고 지라서 So our second destination was Oconaluftee Farm Museum. So Oconaluftee is an English interpretation of the Cherokee word. It means near or beside the river. So this entire farmhouse was built by John E. Davis in 1899 for his family. Actually, this place was not in my list, but since this place was located right there next to the place where I've been watching the wildlife, so we thought that why not just have a look at it, because I believe that every new place has something to learn and something to experience. So let's check it out. National Park din ang lola ani thongma an thangbu dinge an nangmi di chagi sare nangmi di gichine an duksine ani sa chain sare an mid du leya da ne gozu in sare ine thongma thangbu di National Park din ala ani thongma thangbu dinge di nangmi di sare nangmi di chagi sare ta di khangba di de nyama nangmi di ge ni apple house ale di inju di sugar cane lagi sara pushim lagi sara ko tuen sa in sara di sa de ende do su da di khangba de kare na di shego ka sha du lagi mage di chu sar sha de di khasa de sha di thayar Magin thasa is there the same thing sir. Hello. Can we go past this way?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So, is this bone?
Yep. This is
okay, okay. Ah, you just need to do. Hey, that needs to. That shit delay. Can you mean Karimba? Chick polish, chick more. That's a good shoot again. Shut the shoot. Oh, the blacksmith shops. 아니 델라 싱바든저기 아니 소소기 싱가타비아다 아니 락소리기 니 주제도 아니 소소다 아니 도도타야다 오 드레시 근데 나올래 인데 오 데카르샤 데카르도 하고돼 알레. Oh, the hawks.
Chicken kasi
Oh, 학원이도. 되게 캠era 사살도 이게. 이제 hey. 테스트래. 제가 민카리 봐. 왜밀라 파바치 뭐이. 아, 파바치 비도 비나를 주시나. 강바데 가리 강바이나 그것도 대사 강바이나 아, 그 낭미도 대사이나 그 나보다도 강바데 나보 bedroom 간댔다
어디
Hello 다들 낭미디 녀강하다샤 안델라 다이닝 테이블 주주체 우자체 쳔보콜로시 안델라 피아노 테이블 주도 델라 The kitchen is that the kitchen?
Yes.
Oh. 탑장에다. 이게 메탄사라샤. 이게 이제 샤사라샤. 데 칼라사사라샤. 데 칼치사. 알레 미트 하우스 샤칸라샤. 데 근데 샤샤사라샤.
샤데르타르다
비상문이다 니마가지. 손들기 프리저브치니 샤샤가다. 샤닝거 슈도. the Great Smoky National Park an information center. Please touch this map, sir. The Great Smoky National Park Konasakil did it. And the lava chang, sir. Wow. 아니, 드니아 가서 리기야 돼. 드니아 첸레체. 아주 campground there. Smoke Mount campground. 아니, 드니아 첸 둑스도체 아니. 드니아 도신 데라. Appalachian Trail dine ali do and Clingmans Dome de do Clingmans Dome de do ani nganjoi gi kazan rizasa di Mount Lacon le de da digal ditel o de Alam Cave the Mount Lacon de chagi re and then ma dukchen ani Gatling bug do yo then ma Gatling bug do yo Pigeon Forge do yo re this ang Tennessee de ani red dig the national park dig 아니 제가 파니 테니스에 안데네 투 North Carolina 차기열에 어두스다 Great Smoky National Park. We are now heading to the Clingmans Dome, which is supposed to be the highest point at the Smoky Mountains. Actually, my plan was to go there in the evening to get some nice time-lapse shots of sun setting, but since the weather is showing the forecast very soon, that means no sunset this time, sadly. But I will leave that for the next time. Maybe a good excuse to come back to this mountain once again. So I decided to go up there as soon as possible to get at least some nice time-lapse. So let's see if I get some nice time-lapse up there. Let's check it out. Oh, ani tanangade ani Great Smoky Mountain gi gala Clingmans Dome la lede and Clingmans Dome la na ani Great Smoky Mountain ki highest point chagi yore ani dene ya thande kama chuji ani ya hike chini aiga observation tower gan dwa yore and dela thanda do thwe gi dimindu ani chawa dukja jana odela de langa dukja chagi yore din zan dan nga anda ma wala parking lot la de ani gan dwa da wa dwa ni chigba chigba re and dene thonga thongwa chigba thongure din do tanga thanda de Great Smoky Mountain ki gang Clingmans Dome la highest point de lene thoshe de lene ani Great Smoky Mountain ma ta na an khande thongudu valley khande thongudu the time lapse and time lapse ni lende ani time lapse chik tanda ge ani camera chik ne lende ani time lapse shinda ji ganda mege ge camera shinda ne lende ani time lapse khani lagin thanda dukshin time lapse lendi and time lapse ning jo scanning na ba chol tingi So the Great Smoky Mountain National Park journey di tezamji I can't the journey di Smoky Mountain di the vlog di now do na jushu never do na subscribe gata never do na slam shui so signing out from the Smoky Mountain National Park. See you all. Until next time, peace out, stay healthy, stay happy, and take care of your family and take care of everyone around you. Lasso, Pergelo.